Hello YouTube, I Fix It All here, Team I Fix It All. I have these chicken saddle pockets done up a little differently. This is my version 2. You'll see what I got going on there. And if you think about it, if you have small, medium, or large chickens, you just sort your pockets out based on such. Like this one here, I believe I would classify as a large. But the reason why I did this is because my previous version was allowing the folds of the wings up near the neck to be exposed, and they were still getting traumatized. So here's a few examples of the revision. She's working on herself right now, but that right there, and then we'll walk around and check on another. Let's see, who do we have down the flower bed here? Here's another, right by Bob. See how that extra fabric is, there's my finger, that fabric right there is covering the, that was such a, so the wing where it folds forward is now more protected. Now this one here is showing me a few flaws because her physical feathers are folding the top edge back a little bit, but it is protecting the edges of the wings. So far I have, I believe, 4 chickens with this saddle thing going on, and it's doing its job because they're healing up. When they sit like that, it folds the fabric back, but I notice it has a tendency to straighten out once they start moving around and about. Yeah, so we got Australorp, Barred Rock, and Barred Rock. And I may need to start protecting my Orpingtons. Not real sure yet. Amy and April. Hi guys, how are you all doing? There you go. How's it going? Want me YouTube famous? Do you? Say, I was born the last week of April. We're just at 6 weeks old. Not you. Not you. You're Roadrunner. This is Snowden. Alright, that's a little update on DIY saddles for your chickens. I like this better because it's getting the area of the wings that I was talking about protected. I do like. Alright guys, y'all take her easy. See ya.